Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. 2 stories today: a moon rocket part and cooling down in Italy. For help, see transcripts and vocabulary at LinguaWire.com. A rocket part is heading for the moon. Now we go to Liam, our LinguaWire correspondent for technology.
Scientists say a SpaceX rocket part hits the moon on 5th of August.
So this is not a normal landing.
No, it is not. The part is drifting in space. It is the upper stage of a Falcon 9 rocket.
And where did this piece come from?
It came from a launch in January 2025. The rocket was part of a US and Japanese mission. That mission carried 2 lunar landers and scientific equipment.
So the rocket did its job, but one part stayed behind.
Yes, some rocket parts are made to return to Earth. But this upper stage stayed in space. It was left in orbit and kept moving.
How fast is it moving now?
Very fast. Scientists say it is moving at about 2.43 kilometers a second. That is about 400 miles an hour.
That sounds huge for something so far away.
It is. And the moon has a pockmarked surface from many old hits. This is another impact. Scientists still think it can help.
What do they want to learn from it?
They want to watch the impact site for scientific reasons. One space agency official said there is no danger to Earth.
So people on Earth do not need to worry.
No, they do not. The team will keep track of the booster for training too.
And this rocket part is not small, is it?
No, it is about the size of a 5-story building. It has a mass on Earth of at least 4,000 kilos.
That makes the moon story feel very real.
Yes, and it shows how long space junk stays up there.
Italy is facing very hot weather. Now we go to Ella, our LinguaWire correspondent for environment.
Yes, and the heat is getting serious across the country. Temperatures are rising to unhealthy levels.
Which places are under warning?
The Health Ministry has a red alert for Italy's 27 major cities. That includes Milan, Naples, Venice, and Rome.
So this is not just one small area.
No, it is wide, and the warning is for Thursday. It comes during the busy holiday season.
What do experts say people should do?
They say avoid outdoor visits in the hottest hours. That means after lunchtime. Simone Quilisci from the Colosseum Park says that is a big mistake.
So walking outside at midday is a bad idea.
Yes, especially for tourists. Some people are choosing indoor places instead. Others are going to supermarkets, shops, or taking nighttime tours.
That sounds like a simple way to change the day.
It is. People can move their plans to cooler hours. The government also shared later opening hours in August.
Which places are staying open later?
The Colosseum in Rome opens Fridays and Saturdays, 19:45 to 23:30. The Pantheon opens every day except Thursday, 19:00 to 23:00.
So the evening is now part of the visit.
Yes, and that can help people avoid the worst heat.
First, 3 words from Story 1. Upper stage means the top part of a rocket. Liam said, "It is the upper stage of a Falcon 9 rocket." Example: the upper stage is still in space. Orbit means the path around a planet or moon. Liam said, "It was left in orbit." Example: the satellite is still in orbit. Impact means a hit or crash. Liam said, "This impact is another one." Example: the impact was very strong. Now, one grammar point is staying open. We use is staying open for something open now. Example 1. The Colosseum is staying open into the evening. Example 2. The Pantheon is staying open every day except Thursday. Repeat after me: is staying open. LinguaWire isn't only a podcast. Every day, the lead story becomes a personal language lesson in your classroom. Each lesson covers reading, vocabulary, grammar, writing, and listening, all built from today's real news story. Start today on LinguaWire.com.